If you are new, then subscribe our channel Techno Trend and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video of Techno Trend. I am your friend Sam and today I will tell you about 117 new emojis coming to your device, so let's get started.
Audio Jungle.
Android and iOS users will be able to choose from 117 new emoji to spice up their text messages. Both Google and Apple revealed their versions of the new emoji one day ahead of World Emoji Day on Friday. The new emoji will come to Google's Android 11 and Apple's iOS 14 later this year. Recently, Emojipedia also uploaded a video featuring all the new emojis. You can watch the full video from the link in the description. The emoji additions, which were approved by Unicode as part of Emoji 13.0, include new animals like bison, beaver and polar bear, and food and drink, like tamale, boba tea and teapot. You'll also find a slightly smiling face, two people hugging, a man in a veil, a woman in a tuxedo and a person feeding a baby. Google said some of its past animal emoji have been redesigned, in some cases to look a little friendlier, and in others to look better in dark mode. Google is also rolling out a quick access emoji bar to Gboard beta on Thursday and to all Gboard Android users in the coming months. As a beta tester, I received the update and this feature is pretty handy while chatting. The exact date is unclear for the release of the updated mobile operating systems from Apple and Google. A Google presentation to developers earlier this month seemed to suggest that it would be September 8, but Google didn't provide confirmation that this is true. Last year's release of Android 10 was at the beginning of September. Apple is expected to release iOS 14, iPadOS 14 and macOS Big Sur in the fall. Since you have come this far, so please like this video, and if you are new, please subscribe our channel for more new updates.